So go to the Laravel. So this is the official website of the Laravel if you want to install the Laravel. So if you go to the documentations, you will find the document. This is the version of 12. So we're gonna download the version of 12, which is the Laravel family. Okay, so now before doing this, you have to use the documentations. Fine. So if you click on the installing, you have a lot of ways to install the Laravel. Fine. So they are saying why Laravel, how can you install the Laravel. So first of all, you have to check the requirements, server requirements, PHP 8.2 or greater than 8.2 version. How can you check the versions? Type the CMD. I'm saying PHP dash V. As you can see, I have the 8.1 version. Since I'm using the Laragon, why? Because I always execute multiple PHP versions. So as you can see, currently it's 8.1. If you want to use the 8.2 version, you have to download the PHP 8.2 version and you have to keep the file here. So as you can see, you have to keep the folder here. Okay, so now just type download PHP, downloads PHP. You will see the results. So as you can see, this is the official website where you can download the PHP version. So now here, as you can see, which PHP version you are going to download. Since we have the versions, you know very well that PHP-V. Now we're gonna download the 8.2 version or 8.3 or 8.4. The process is same. If you want to download the 8.4 version, just click on the Windows button. So this is the 8.4 version. If you are going to download the 8.3 version, just click on this one. If you are going to download the 8.2 version, just click on this one. We're going to download the 8.2 version first of all. Just click on the Windows. Why? Because I have the Windows operating system. So you have a lot of choices. If you are going to download the PHP with the source code, just download this one. Test packages, download this one. You can also download the zip file. I'm going to click on the zip one and I'm going to download this particular uh, file. So make sure it's a VS16 multiply by or x64 non-thread ceph. So March 11, 2025, they have updated this one. So you can download the zip file. Once you downloaded the zip file, just copy the zip file and paste the zip file here and uncompress or unzip this one. We're gonna do this one. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now move the files from here to here. Unzip this particular file. So like this. Fine. So you have unzipped the file. Now open the Laragon, right click, PHP. So if you check, you have two version now. Just check the 8.2 version and click on the start browse. So if you go to the CMD, sorry, if you go to the CMD, check the PHP version, PHP-V. It will give you the 8.1 version. Why? Because if you click on the or type the composer, so I have installed the composer. Fine. So 2.8.2 versions. When you install the composer always asks the PHP version and you always give the PHP version path. So let's suppose while installing the composer, I gave this particular version or I gave this particular PHP file. So that's why it's asking about the file. I'm going to remove this one. So I'm typing composer. So this is the composer, which is a dependency. I have to download the composer before doing this. So as you can see, it's saying please select the user data you want to delete. I'm saying delete all one. Fine. I'm going to remove. I'm gonna show can you fix now if you type PHP dash v, it's still asking. Once again, open the command prompt. So now it's saying 8.1 version. It's still saying 8.1 version. But wait, we're gonna download the composer and make sure if you're going to install the Laravel, you need the composer. So that is the one way I'm gonna show you how can you do that. So you can download the composer by clicking the download button, click on the composer.exe file and download this one. So once again, install. Now developer mode, don't need to specify where you are installing the PHP, it's up to you. And now as you can see back here, you are specifying the 8.1 version. Now select this particular path and give the 8.2. So 8.2 PHP file. Now you are giving the PHP 8.2 version. That is the default version for the PHP. So if you click on the next file as a, so you have to check this one. Next, it will create the environmental variables. So next, install and boom, you are ready to go. Yes, install, finish. So once again, type cmd and here if you are saying php-v, you are 8.2 version. So now you are satisfying the requirements of the Laravel. So installing, as you can see, the first requirement was 8.2 version. You have to enable these kind of extensions before installing the Laravel 12. Make sure if I'm using the Laragon, by default, these kind of extensions enabled. If you want to enable the extensions, you can find the extensions here. As you can see, this is the extension. These are the extensions by default enabled. You can just uh, click on this one to check the extensions. So this is the first one. And the how can you install the Laravel? So as you can see for the Windows, you can also use the global required. So composer global required. So now copy this one and paste this one. So you are going to install the globally. Why? Which one? The installer. The installer you are going to download globally. So once you download the installer, then you're gonna only say that new and you can only specify the Laravel. So as you can see, Laravel new XYZ. So wait for a few seconds once we download it. Okay, so now you have to, I'm saying Laravel new my package or my Laravel. So make sure before doing this, you have to specify where you are going to install or download the Laravel 12. So make sure I have since the Laragon, I have www directory, and here I'm going to download the Laravel. I'm saying cmd from here. So as you can see, I directly jump to the Laragon www directory. Now here, as you can see, I'm installing or downloading the Laravel here. Now, since I have the installer, I should say Laravel new and Laravel 12. 12. Just click on the enter button and now your magic is start. So it's saying Laravel. Now it's asking about which kind of Laravel version, which kind of kit you are going to use. Either you are using the none, if you are working with the React, you have to download the React one. If you are working with the Vue, you can use the Vue. Livewire is the new features. If you are going to create the application with the Livewire, you have to select this one. We're gonna say that none. Fine. Now it's saying which testing framework do you prefer? Either you are using the PEST or PHP unit. I'm saying PEST. I'm selecting one. Now it's downloading the Laravel. Make sure if you are downloading the Laravel first time, it takes time because it's downloading each and everything from the source folder. It's totally depend upon your internet and other kind of stuff. So once you have downloaded, then if you are going to download the second time, it will download the Laravel 12 from the cache. So wait for a few seconds. So now if you check out, so you have the directory here. As you can see, this is the directory or the Laravel framework. You can also download the Laravel by executing this one. It's up to you. But I'm using the installer Laravel new. Okay, so this is the first way. I'm gonna show you the second way to download the Laravel. Wait for a few seconds. So it's downloading the Laravel. Once you download the Laravel 12, you're gonna just say that PHP artisan serve. So 55 packages suggested were added by the dependencies. So you know very well that the folder structure of the Laravel. So if you're not familiar with this one, I'm gonna also upload a specific link in the descriptions below. I'm gonna add the multiple links in the description below so you guys can easily understand like how can you install the composer and other kind of stuff. So it's generating the optimized auto load files. Okay, so now as you can see, it's saying I'm generating the files. So which database will your application use? It's asking either you are using MySQL, MariaDB. Since I'm using the MySQL, I should say MySQL. So fine, it's saying default database updated. Would you like to run the default database migrations? Fine. If you want to execute the migrations, you can say yes, or you can say no. I'm saying yes. So it's migrating your database or the migrations. Would you like to run the npm install and also npm run build if you are going to use the npm command? So if you're not familiar with the npm command, which is it's similar to the composer. Npm load package manager and composer both are the same thing. Both are the dependency managers. So composer, we always use the composer for the php. For the javascript, we always use the npm command. So I'm saying yes. So it will now executing the npm install and also npm run build command. Okay, so yes, and click the enter button. So if you open the file, so these are the file structure or the folder structure. As you can see now, it's installing the node modules. So when you install the npm install, you will see or view this particular folder. So wait for a few seconds. Once you install the process, now you are ready to go. It's installing. Mhm. Now you have successfully installed the Laravel 12. I'm saying PHP artisan serve PHP artisan. Okay, why it's not working? Because you have to go to the specific directory. So dir, here you have a lot of directories. I'm saying cd Laravel 12, and now you are in the directory. You have to say PHP artisan serve. It will give you the link. Just click on the link and boom, you're ready to go. You have successfully installed the Laravel 12. If you open the Laravel 12 with on a specific environment, so this is Laravel 12, drag and drop. So I already have the React Native. So here, as you can see, this is the file structure, or these are the file structures, and these are the folder structure. So in this way, you can download the Laravel 12 for Windows. That was the first way to download the Laravel 12. So now if you open the Laragon, right click, if you click on the app, as you can see, it's asking about the which kind of app you are going to download. Since we are working with the Laravel, I'm saying Laravel. Here you have to only specify what the project name. So let's suppose if I'm saying Laravel 12 second time. So this is the project name. Just click on the OK button or click on the enter button. Both are the same thing. So now the Laragon automatically uh, creating each and everything out of the box for you. So as you can see, it's installing the Laravel 12.0.3 version, which is the latest version from the Laravel family. So as you can see, since we are downloading the second time, it's downloading the Laravel from the cache. As you can see, sync Laravel 12 into cache. So it's saying fail to download the Laravel from the zip extensions. It's saying unzip 7 command are both missing. Skip the PHP INI use. So you have to use the zip extension. Enable this one. Zip extension and unzip extensions. So right click. I told you that how can you enable the extensions. So PHP. So it's PHP 2. So these are the extensions. So find the zip extensions. Where is the zip and unzip? You can also click on the PHP INI file to update this one. So zip, where is the zip, unzip. I think so. This is the zip one. So you have enabled the zip. Where is the unzip? Unzip. All you that .ini file. So zip extension, you have enabled the zip extensions. So make sure to restart the package, sorry, Laragon. So now if I'm saying quick applications, go to the Laravel and closing this one, I'm saying Laravel 12 second version. And now it's downloading the Laravel 12. Boom. Wait a few seconds once we have download the Laravel. So if you go to the folder structure, you will definitely find the Laravel. As you can see, this is the second one. The second one you are downloading. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now as you can see, authorize this one. Application key successfully you have added. So this kind of stuff. Now you are ready to go. So if you are saying PHP artisan serve, fine. Otherwise, you have to specify the folder. You have to now. This is the Laravel second version. I'm saying CMD. I'm saying PHP artisan serve. You will have the link. Just click on the link. You have the latest version of the Laravel family, which is the Laravel 12 version. You have just downloaded this particular version from the Laragon. So you have two ways to download the Laravel. First way by using the composer or the global installer. The second way, Laragon.